Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable allow finding by Apple ID in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up Apple Music. Next, tap on Listen Now tab at the bottom. Then at the top, tap on the profile icon. Next, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Allow Finding by Apple ID. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn this on, people who have your Apple ID contact information may see you as a recommended friend. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the Done button to go back to your music app, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.